Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Go Condo channel. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, and today we're diving into the world of budget-friendly maximalist condo decorating. I'm so excited to show you how you can transform your space with bold colors, patterns, and textures, all without breaking the bank. Maximalism is all about making a statement with your decor, and I'll be sharing some affordable tips and tricks that will help you achieve that unique and stylish look. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button like this video and drop a comment below letting me know what maximalist decor ideas you love most. Maximalist decor isn't about clutter. It's about creating a space filled with personality, energy, and a mix of eclectic design elements that speak to you. And the best part? You don't need a huge budget to pull it off. In fact, some of the most striking maximalist spaces are created using affordable pieces and a lot of creativity. Whether you're living in a small apartment or a spacious condo, I've got plenty of tips to help you add boldness and warmth to your home without overspending. So grab your favorite drink, and let's jump right into these fun and cost-effective ideas. One of the easiest ways to incorporate maximalist design without spending too much is through texture. Layering different textures, such as plush throw pillows, woven rugs, and velvet curtains, adds richness and depth to your space. Start by adding a few contrasting textures in your living room. Think a soft, cozy throw blanket over a sleek leather couch or a shaggy rug beneath a smooth coffee table. The key is mixing textures in a way that feels balanced but still exciting. If you want to keep costs down, you can easily find affordable textiles at places like thrift stores or discount retailers. A simple swap, like trading a plain cotton pillow cover for something velvet or chenille, can instantly elevate the space. And don't forget about DIY options. Adding texture through things like hand-painted canvas or knitted wall hangings is a great way to bring personality to your walls without spending a fortune. Maximalism is all about embracing color. Lots of it. The key is to use colors that complement each other, creating a dynamic but cohesive look. If you're hesitant about going all out, start with colorful accents like vibrant throw pillows, patterned vases, or a bold area rug. You don't have to paint your entire condo a wild color, but introducing pops of unexpected hues can instantly add personality and warmth. To save money, you can focus on smaller decor pieces in bold colors. Instead of buying a statement-colored sofa, opt for colorful art, ceramics, or accent furniture pieces that you can easily swap out. A fun hack is to buy cheaper white or neutral furniture and transform it with colorful accessories. This keeps your base neutral, allowing your colorful accents to shine without overwhelming your budget. Don't be afraid to mix different patterns in your condo. Stripes, florals, geometric prints, these can all coexist beautifully in a maximalist home when done thoughtfully. Start by mixing patterns in the same color family for a more coordinated look, or go wild and combine contrasting patterns for a playful vibe. An easy way to introduce pattern mixing is through throw pillows, bedding, and curtains. If you're worried about it looking too chaotic, try layering large patterns with smaller ones. For example, pair a bold, large floral print with a subtle polka dot or checkered pattern. This will help the space feel more dynamic without overwhelming the senses. And if you're on a budget, don't forget to use fabric remnants from craft stores to create your own decorative pieces that feature multiple patterns. Lighting is an easy and often affordable way to add a maximalist touch to any room. Think oversized chandeliers, bold pendant lights, or unique table lamps with a bit of flair. Not only does statement lighting provide functional illumination, but it can also serve as a focal point that enhances your room's overall design. Look for lighting fixtures at flea markets, secondhand shops, or budget-friendly home decor stores. You can even update old lampshades with a fresh coat of paint or some decorative trim to give them a new life. An eye-catching light fixture can really elevate a room without having to invest in expensive furniture or decor. In a maximalist space, the walls are your canvas, so don't be afraid to go big with art. Whether it's a large, colorful painting, a gallery wall of framed prints, or a tapestry, art can help express your style and create visual interest. Don't hesitate to mix different art styles, from vintage posters to modern abstract pieces. The more art you have, the more personality it brings into your home. You don't have to buy high-priced artwork to create an impressive display. Look for affordable prints online, buy secondhand art, or make your own DIY pieces. Framing photos or illustrations you already have can be an affordable way to create a gallery wall. Just be sure to balance the size and placement of each piece so that your space doesn't feel overcrowded. Plants are an essential part of the maximalist look. They bring life, color, and freshness into any room. Incorporating a variety of plants, from large statement plants to small succulents, can really help tie the look together. Use plants in different sizes and shapes to create a dynamic feel in your condo, whether they're on shelves, tables, or hanging from the ceiling. You can find budget-friendly plants at local nurseries, online stores, or even grocery stores. If you're looking to save money, consider low-maintenance plants like snake plants, pothos, or ZZ plants. They're affordable, easy to care for, and can thrive in almost any space. Plus, don't forget to get creative with plant pots. You can easily customize inexpensive pots with paint or fabric to make them fit your maximalist style. One of the best ways to embrace maximalism is by creating a cozy reading nook in your condo. By incorporating plush furniture, layered throws, and lots of pillows, you can create a space that's both functional and visually rich. Look for a comfortable chair or chaise lounge, then surround it with vibrant pillows and an assortment of books or decorative objects. To keep costs low, consider shopping for secondhand furniture or dine your own seating area. You can find unique, affordable chairs at thrift stores or garage sales, and with a little creativity, you can refurbish them with new fabric or paint. This way, you're getting a one-of-a-kind look for a fraction of the price. Rugs are another fantastic way to add color and pattern to your space without spending too much money. A bold, patterned rug can be a conversation starter and will help anchor the design of the room. Whether you choose a geometric, boho, or vintage rug, make sure it's large enough to cover most of the floor space. Affordable rugs can be found at big box retailers or discount stores, but if you're looking for something unique, consider checking out local markets or thrift stores. Even rugs with a little wear and tear can be cleaned up or restyled to fit into your maximalist aesthetic. You don't need to spend a fortune to add texture and pattern to your floors. Maximalism embraces a mix of new and old, so why not try upcycling furniture to fit your style? Instead of buying new pieces, look for inexpensive, pre-loved furniture that you can give a fresh twist with a coat of paint, new hardware, or fun fabric. By upcycling, you're not only saving money, but also creating unique, one-of-a-kind pieces for your condo. Thrift stores, estate sales, and online marketplaces are great places to find affordable furniture that just needs a little TLC. With some creativity, you can turn an old dresser into a bold, colorful statement piece or transform a plain coffee table with a marble or pattern top. Don't be afraid to experiment with different materials and finishes. Maximalist design thrives on layers, so don't be afraid to pile on the decor. Layering different items like books, candles, vases, and artwork can make your space feel cozy and inviting. The trick is to use a variety of shapes and sizes to create visual interest while keeping the overall arrangement balanced. Start small by layering items on your coffee table or bookshelf. You don't need to buy expensive decor pieces. Use what you already have or pick up secondhand finds. The more you mix and match, the more dynamic your space will become. And remember, layering isn't just for surfaces. You can also layer fabrics on your couch or bed for a cozy and eclectic feel. And that wraps up today's video on creating a budget-friendly maximalist condo. I hope these tips and tricks inspire you to embrace bold design and transform your space without breaking the bank. Don't forget, maximalism is all about expressing your personality and having fun with your decor. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment letting me know your favorite tip from today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and I'm excited to continue sharing more condo decorating ideas with all of you. Remember to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going, And I'll see you in the next video with more budget-friendly and stylish decorating inspiration. Take care.